Hello, Jessica, how are you? I'm fine. And what about you? I'm fine too. But we have constant contact over mobile phone. Yes. This mobile phone has become a very important factor in our life. We can't do without it for a single day. Right. It has made our life easy and comfortable. But it has some disadvantages too. You're right. Students use mobile all the day and do not take interest in their studies. Yes, it is very harmful to the teenagers. The criminal are also carrying out their operation with the help of it. All these are very true. We should use it with great care and avoid its demerits.